Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're out here working on our 2021 Ford F250, the one we brought back from Georgia. Unloaded from the trailer, actually went a lot smoother than I thought, surprisingly, with two-wheel drive in the front, the back just kind of dragging. But hey, it's off and it's there. The game plan for today is start working on this thing. We're basically gonna do a breakdown. We want to take the bed off, take the bumper off, tailgate, and see all the damage underneath, and hopefully get on the frame machine. And then we can make a parts list and check out all the things that we need to get. Obviously back glass, a whole lot of stuff going on. It's hard to tell what's happening right now with the bed on, so we're gonna head and unscrew that first, take everything out, keep some good parts, put away the bad parts, and start making our shopping list. It's probably gonna be a big list, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna get this thing back on the road, but let's not waste any time and get this thing taken apart. All right, we got one. It's supposed to be like a special size socket, but we made it work. It's fine. The other one's spinning. That means it's broken underneath. We're gonna have to cut it or grind it off. That's gonna be fun. Fun.
All right, so just like that, we got the running board off. It looked brand new, looked like somebody just installed it, but it was bent, broken, so we had to take it off. Got that off. Now this door will actually close. And look at this door, look, the gaps are not looking that good. So we've got a really tight gap here. But most likely this door is deformed. I mean, the bottom is damaged, so we got to replace it. Not a big deal, we'll order another door, because these are the same doors off an F-150, so you know, the prices on them are pretty good. So let's go ahead and work on the bed. Like I saw before, we took apart the bumper a little bit, but everything's still mangled inside. I couldn't drop the spare tire. It's still being hung up on it. So next time we'll do is try to get the bolts off. We'll get the excavator over here and we'll try to pick up this whole bed. And then figure out all of the gas lines. We got the diesel line we got to hook up, the DEF we got to unhook, a couple of wires, and we'll be good to go. So let's keep working.
All right, guys, so that was kind of an adventure getting that bed off. A whole team effort. We got the whole shop out there, but hey, it's fun. Sometimes you get a kick out of it. It's off, and now we can actually check out the frame rail. And unfortunately, it does look like it's shifted over to the right a little bit. But I don't know, are we gonna swap it, Ivan? Or we're gonna fix it, or?
We're gonna fix it. Why do we have a frame machine?
Oh yeah, frame machine.
Use it.
It's like a chiropractor for trucks. But yeah, we're gonna basically get the spare tire on that side over there, so we get this thing kind of rolling around. We still have it strapped. Maybe this one too. We'll see. Maybe get another tire. Get the bumper off. Get the hitch off. Got our chains on there, and try to get on the frame machine. So overall, it doesn't look horrible. Is the gas tank broken? Some stuff. It's got some brackets broken here and there.
Well, it does run, so no hole in the diesel.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, I got a full tank. So I got a little def tank right there. That's nice. I like how they hit it back there. It's kind of in unison with it, because the other Chevy was like on the side or something sticking out. It's kind of funny design. Overall, it's a really thin frame.
I gotta say, it's really thin.
This is like a F250 heavy duty diesel, and it's like, it looks like a Honda Civic.
Yeah, the Chevy has a bigger frame.
Yeah, it does, not gonna lie. So kind of sad, but hey, hopefully it'll bend back easy, because our frame machine should be able to handle it back. But yeah, moving forward, and hopefully it'll roll okay.
Let's get that spare tire on.
All right, guys, so moment of truth. We're gonna try to get this thing on the frame machine by its own power. I mean, we're able to get it on and off the trailer with the front two-wheel drive, but now we got this side replaced. That's looking pretty good. Unfortunately, the other side is still flat. We tried to put a spare rim on. Couldn't find anything off our Chevy, one didn't work. And we tried to blow this one up, but unfortunately the rim is bent in the back, so it didn't hold any air, didn't bead.
It's missing a piece.
It's missing a piece, so that sucks. Either way, let's just try to drive it, and hopefully it doesn't shift around too much. We don't want to destroy our def tank. It's kind of hitting it right now, so we'll go slow. Step's gone. Let's do it.
Battery still good?
I think so. It's got the 2 batteries on there. Starts right up. All right, guys, so it's not really working out. I don't want to mess up that def tank, so we're just going to pick it up with the excavator and get it as close as we can, and then inch and crawl onto the frame.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we finally got on the frame machine. That was an adventure because the rear end kept shifting and we had to use the frame machine to keep pulling it to the side. So now it's looking like it's on here. We closed the gate, the door, so it's looking good. Next thing I want to do is start messing and taking apart this rear bumper and the trailer hitch, and then we're gonna put the jack stands for the frame to pick it up, and we have to get rid of this axle, which is gonna be another adventure because this thing's heavy. So let's go ahead and take it apart as best we can and go from there. All right guys, so just like that, we got some work done. It's the next day and I was gonna keep working and taking it apart, but we gotta go ahead and go pick up the parts because we found a bed and it's kind of far away. So we're sending Michael, probably Kentucky, probably 6 hours to get a bed because it's a pretty good deal. And I gotta go pick up the rear axle, leaf springs, and the rear frame. And then we can continue working on this thing all the way. So unfortunately, that's all the time we have for this episode. You guys leave us a comment down below. Do you think this frame is so bad? Do you think we can just section it in? Or do we need to replace the whole thing? I mean, I'm pretty sure we can section it in, bend it back. That's what we got a frame machine for. But we'll catch you guys next time.